Hello and welcome back to Prime Tech. In this video we'll have the specification of the new Katana 15 2023 that comes with the 13th generation from Intel and RTX 4000 series. Stay with us. Let's start unboxing this Katana 15 2023 that comes with the 13th generation Core i7 and RTX 4000. Here the laptop comes with the plastic cover. Let's take it aside and continue unboxing. On here we have the power cable. And this is the user manual booklet. And here we have the power adapter. This power adapter comes with 240 watts. The manufacturing of the new Katana and build quality is really premium. You can open the lid from the side or from the middle, but it is preferred to do it from the middle. So the new MSI Katana comes with the new processor, that is Core i7 13620H, the hybrid system from Intel with 10 cores, 6 performance cores and 4 efficient cores. Boost speed is 4.9 GHz. It comes with 16 gigs of RAM, that is DDR5 with 5200 MHz. As well as 1 TB of NvMe, and it comes with the RTX 4060 that has a TGB of 115 watts. The main body of the laptop is really excellent. It has no flex on the keyboard. The space between the buttons are great. Also, it has a full Rgb pattern. Let's talk about the ports. Here's RG45. Next to it we have HDMI 2.1, 8K 60 Hz, or 4K at 120 Hz. Next to it is a USB Type-C with a DisplayPort, that's Gen 2, USB Type-A port. Next to that is a headphone jack. At the rear we don't have any ports. Here at the side we have 2 ports, USB Type-A 3.2 and USB Type-A 2.1. So with that, let's go and check the performance of this computer.
Beware that the RTX 4060 comes in various power configurations, from 85 watts to 140 watts. The one with 140 watts is 20% faster than the RTX 3060 and 5% slower than the RTX 3070. The CPU's single-core performance on Geekbench 564-bit achieved 1,862 points, which is better than the Core i9 12950HX. The CPU has 16 threads, and on the multi-core test it scored 11,806 points, which is better than the Core i7 12700F PC CPU. Don't forget to activate our channel's bell to see the upcoming review of this laptop's performance on games and check its temperature. Thanks indeed for tuning in.